Hey Lindsay, just a quick video on how to log in. You basically have to go to the URL that I sent you, type in your username or use your email address, and then of course paste in the password. There is a remember me button, so it's, you may want to do that or save it somehow. Log in, and really I need you to go to the media and the library. You can actually hit media. It takes you to the same place. I guess it doesn't really matter. But you'll find that there's quite a bit of there's 19 pages here and 367 images. There was a couple of duplicates, so probably we'll need to fix that. It's not a big amount, which is good. So if you click on an image and edit it, you can simply change what you want it to say. So for instance, stone walking path design and installation in Iowa. And then what you can do is you don't have to copy it and paste it here, here, and here. It would be good if you did, but I can always go through that if needed. Sometimes the stuff shows up, sometimes it doesn't. So it is nice to have that, or we can even change this in the future. It's a long story there. I'm not going to go into that, but if you hit update, what that does is it actually changes this actual string of URL. So that's pretty much all I need you to do is just simply go in, take a look. There's also a different way to look at things. This will kind of give you an idea of all the different, there's a load button here, all the different images I was able to get. And so you can kind of spot check some of these as well. So you kind of see the close-up of the Rosetta wall and the Rosetta stones. And again, in order to, from this view though, it is an edit more details, and then you can actually edit this and again hit update. So those are the two ways you can do it. You may find that that this view actually works better. And again, you can go through. Not everything has text on it yet. I pretty much have almost everything done, but there was a couple that I wasn't sure what it was. And again, if you can add some technical terminology, maybe the type of stone. It is a small retaining wall, and next to a home, something like that. It's descriptive. What we're trying to do is describe what you see in the image. So, in other words, the retaining wall, and then of course it is next to a home, and maybe the bark or whatever you use. So update, and that's about it. If you have any questions, please let me know. This was definitely a lot longer of a video than I thought it would be, so I hope it makes sense. Again, if you could just be if you could add technical information or and describe what's actually being done, and that should really help me out. Thank you.